Hi guys, it's Dan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to come back and do an unboxing of Tony's Craft Purge Halloween group swap, and I am so excited. Again, thank you, Tony, for hosting. I know that it takes a lot of work and coordinating, and you always make it so chill and fun. So yay, I can't believe how fast my box came, and I'm so excited to open this. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. Oh my, there's sequins all in this fun box. Oh my god, how fun. So we are required to send in one embellishment, a sequins mix, a bow, a store-bought or handmade goodie, and just to make the loaded tag super cute. So if you haven't seen my project video, I'll leave that down below. But let's get started on all of these goodies. Yay! Oh my god, you know what? To get a small taste of Happy Meal from a group of talented ladies is so much fun, and I am excited. Ooh, this one is from Crystal. I'm just gonna open the bag. It's JR's wifey, and ooh, there is such fun little bits in here. All these little spooky bats. Yes, I love this bag that you put it in. And I am totally going to recycle this. So let's keep this nice and clean. And here is her loaded pouch. Oh my god. This is so cute. Crystal. Her dangle is adorable. This little resin piece, so cute. And all of these, girl, I don't know how you have the patience to do this. I'm actually never created a dangle, so this is like goals for me. I totally have to make one. Look at all of the wire wrap and totally all that love and support that goes into making these. Oh my god, look how fun this is. It's a loaded envelope, so I've never received anything from Crystal before, so I love this. I'm just gonna take everything out so you can appreciate the packaging. So you have this little spider clip right on top. I love this die. And she's really, I don't know if it came like this or you altered it, but what an awesome idea. So you have the little spider webbing, you have a little shaker, that on the front, love. And this little banner with more wire wrap beads. Girl, you are the wire wrap queen, and your wrapping is, wow, just perfection. Goals for me. And this little banner, so cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it so much. R.I.P. Yes, I'm going to be resting in peace after this beautiful Happy Meal. So she gave us these beautiful black flowers. These must be her die cuts, and it is chunky. What did you put in here, Crystal? Where did this come from? Oh, how fun. So she included some pre-made die cuts. Look at that hollow. Yes, so good. I will totally be using these. Oh, the sticker fell off somewhere. Yay. And she sent us some little bones and some spiders and bat resin pieces. So fun. And she sent us some of these hollow, I love this die, I love the hollow, like banners. And then you have these die cuts. Super fun. I love it. Oh my god, how exciting. Oh, I forgot some more die cuts over here. Ooh, and you got this layered trick-or-treat. I love how you did the gray shadow. So fun. And this haunted house. Super cute. Yay. Okay, and then we have this adorable sequins pouch. Ooh, I love this. She used like those Target pockets, and then she put all of these goodies in here. I'm gonna try to slip these bats in here. So fun. I love how you did this. I've been meaning to do this and I haven't done this, so I'm gonna totally scrap lift this. Again, the details in the packaging. You got this little fun banner, the rosette, the little boo. and the little bat. Oh, I love this little eyelet that you have on here. So cute. And then here is her little bow and embellishments. She gave 2 bows too. She's so extra. Look how pretty these are. Backed on this little hollow bat. And then you have this beautiful bow with this beautiful center. I love this paper that you used. So cute. And then you got a shaker bow. Extra. And then this little book embellishment with all of the wire wraps. Honestly, girl, you gave me so much inspo. I love your wire wrapping. It's just giving me so much inspo. I'm so excited to use some of your wonderful techniques and in a future project. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to have received your mail. Thank you, Crystal. You rock. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this. I'm gonna put this back together after my video, but this is from Christina. I know this because I've watched her video, and this is such cuteness. She has a loaded coffee cup. Look how pretty this, and all this shred and sequins that you put in there. How fun. This alone is like a burst of Halloween goodness. I'm just gonna scoop this to the side because I want to save all of this goodness. Oh my god, look how cute this is, you guys. So it says gooey guts, and she took a cup and she sewed it and she made it a pocket. I think this is so genius. And she added the pom-pom trim on the bottom. I'm not sure if you stitched it, which I think is even more genius. I'm just gonna take everything out. So cute. And again, another dangle. You guys, I need to get up on this dangle train. I swear, this is such a cute and fun dangle. I love the way that you use the diamond dots in this jar to make it a charm. Oh my god, and this little ghosty. You got all the fun beads on here. Love, 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 love. And then you included a pokey tool. Honestly, love this so much with the pink bow. Yay, I have my own personal Halloween one. Okay, don't do the stabbing motion. And then let's see, I have this fun sequence mix. You got all of these goodness, so fun. We got this little shovel here, and then, oh, she included some buttons. I don't have any of these, I don't have any button machines, and this is so appreciated. Let me just open this. Oh, this is a tight fit. Okay. Oh, wow, this bag is super sturdy. Man, I need Ziploc bags this sturdy. I'm break a nail. Okay, oh my god, sweating. Okay, so we've got, ooh, these are so pretty. 31 flat back buttons. How fun are these? Yay, Christina, thank you so much for making these for us. I love it. I love this collection, so this is greatly appreciated. Now, let's see what else we got in here. I'm so over the moon with this package. And we have this, oh my god, is this a little potion bottle? How stinking cute. How stinking cute is this? Oh my god, how stinking cute is this? So she made it with a little mylar paper. And how stinking cute is this? Oh my god, I love this so much. So in here she put her embellishment, which she put this bow, fancy bow with your button and the spider on top. Love this. She stitched it, used this pink glitter paper, and again with the little book embellishment. I might need this die, you guys. 2 embellishments with this same die set. I love it. So cute. She added a little eyelet, and is that a cat? Oh my god, how fun is that? It's a little black cat with her little bow dangle, and I love the use of the spider web edging. So cute, Christina. And I think, oh, And here's her die cut. If you think I'm going to open this, absolutely not. I will be saving this until next year just as is because I can't. But I can see the boot, the graveyard. I'm not sure what word that is underneath. Oh, haunted. Haunted and graveyard. And there's a little hat in here. Oh, and she included a little puffy sticker on the back. Oh my God, I'm so thrilled with this incoming. Oh my God, and I can't believe I have one more to open. The best part of this swap is that I get a little taste of all of the talented crafters that I admire and I just love seeing their content. So I'm so happy. And then last but not least, I have this one here. Oh my God. This thing is so beautiful. Let me open this up. Girl, this is a whole contraption. Sorry for the crinkling. Here we go. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God, and this is from Jazzy, Jazz Dub Crafts. And okay, this just popped out because I just like manhandle this, but look at this. Look how beautiful this is. She created like a box with acetate to hold all of her goodies in it. Okay, I'm gonna take out the straw because it's like moving around, but this says boo. Oh my God, I love this straw so much. Here is her little sequins mix. And she added a little dangle. And look at all those pretty sequins inside. With this little lollipop and her little wire wrap bead. Oh my God, Jazzy. These are so cute. Girl, you so extra. So she created not one, but 3 shaker bows. Oh my God, these are so precious. I love these. And look at all the stitch work on this. You guys. Oh my God, she gave us a pokey tool. Oh my God, Jazzy. Okay, so I know that she sells pokey tools. So you guys, I'm gonna leave all of these Talented Ladies, but look at this pokey tool. So she makes these spoons as well. Girl, this is so beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. All the details that goes into this, girl, is so pretty. I'm so honored to have received this. Yay! Oh my God, and these are her die cuts. She has a whole bunch of bows, some fun shapes. Okay, let me just, oh my God, did you make this broom? Look how pretty this is. Then she uses raffia paper and she wrapped it like nearly perfect. Oh, I love this so much. I'm just going to open up your die cuts. Wow, I'm so thrilled with all of the Talented Ladies. Okay, so we got some Starbursts. We got 31 bows. I got a little Skelly. Some doilies, glitter doilies. Happy Halloween. I think this says trick or treat, but there must be a layering word for this. Oh, okay, I see there's a whole bunch of letters here that you're supposed to paper piece. Got it. We got some rosettes. We got a tag, and then there's all of this fun sequins in here. So fun. I can't wait to use this die cuts. Thank you so much. Ooh, I am overwhelmed by all of the talent. So crazy. I'm so blessed. And oh my God, I have this little pouch here, but I just want to show you this little contraption she made. So she built this box and then she made the shaker, which I'm like kind of wondering how you put this together. It's kind of magic, you guys. How fun is this? The sequence mix is darling. So fun. And then, oh no, you made a pouch that I have to cut. Oh, this is so cute. This little candy corn. And I'm just trying to see if I can just possibly stick my finger in here. No, I'm gonna have to cut it. Okay, I hate cutting pouches because I know that it takes a lot of work. Oh my god, is this your embellishment? Oh no, a spider fell off. Oh my god, how fun is this? Look at these beads. Oh my god, these yummy beads that you've created. And this adorable little tag embellishment. How fun is this? And you put like the spider webs on here. Ooh, I love how you did like that little wave and you stitched the whole thing. Wow. Jazzy, girl, you are so extra. And look at this little charm here. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, you guys. I am so overwhelmed and thrilled with the talented bunch of ladies that I got in my group. Again, Tony, you rock, sister. You literally have so much coordinating to do and you always make it so fun, and I'm blessed. Thanks again for watching, and I will leave the link to her unboxing down below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.